How do you feel empowered by expressing yourself through different hairstyles?
I feel empowered because when I'm able to switch up my hairstyle, it just gives me the creative freedom to be who I want to be that day.
Can you share a personal anecdote where changing your hairstyle impacted your confidence?
I've always wanted to try a bob or a pixie cut, but I could never get myself to do it on my natural hair. So then when I started getting into wigs, I thought it was the perfect time to finally try it. After a few days of wearing that hairstyle, it definitely started to grow on me.
What advice would you give to women who want to experiment with their hair but feel hesitant?
Go ahead and just try it, okay? Especially in the world of wigs, this is the perfect time to experiment because it's not your natural hair, so you can always switch it up.
Can you share a standout highlight moment in your career or personal life that significantly influenced your journey?
Being on the live stream for the company, it allowed me to share my passion when it comes to wigs. It's honestly super fulfilling to me because I run into different common women every day who want to get a human hair wig, or my other ladies who may have alopecia or cancer and want to feel beautiful in their own skin.